Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today let us discuss exercise 11.2 first problem. So let us start with first problem. So in first problem we have to evaluate, so let us see first one. In first problem, first one now, we have to evaluate sin 45 plus cos 45. So let us start it. Sin 45 plus cos 45, we have to evaluate it. uh, Sin 45 value is 1 by root 2 and cos 45 value is also 1 by root 2. Now now the denominators are the same, so we can add the numerators. So it will become 2 by root 2, that is equal to root 2 into root 2. Why? Because we can write 2 as root 2 into root 2. That the reason for this is root 2 into root 2 is root 2 whole square. Root 2 whole square means, yeah, root 2 square and root will be cancelled, so the remaining one is 2, so we can write it as root 2 into root 2. Now why I am writing it in this way means to cancel denominator root 2 with the numerator one, so the answer is root 2. Now let us see the first problem. In first problem, the second one, that is cos 45 by secant 30 plus cosecant 60. So we have to evaluate cos 45 by secant 30 plus cosecant 60. So let us start it. Cos 45 means 1 by root 2 and secant 30 means 2 by root 3 and cosecant 60 means 2 by root 3 only. I evaluated that one here. Now don't change the numerator one, that is cos 45, that is equal to 1 by root 2. But here the denominator is same. Denominators are same, so we can add numerators. That will become 2 plus 2 by root 3. Now the numerator is the same, it's not changed, that is 1 by root 2 only. But 2 plus 2 is 4, so it will become 4 by root 3. So now here 1 by root 2 into 2 by into root 3 by 4, it will become, this one will become, so here it is denominator, now it will become numerator. So now 1 into root 3 by 2 into 4, root 2 into 4 means it will become root 3 by 4 root 2. Now let us discuss the first problem, third one. First problem, third one is sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosecant 60 by cot 45 plus cos 60 minus secant 30. We have to evaluate sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosecant 60 by cot 45 plus cos 60 minus secant 30. So we have to evaluate it. So here sin 30 means 1 by 2 and tan 45 means 1 minus cosecant 60 means 2 by root 3. I wrote it here. Now cot 45 means 1 and cos 60 means 1 by 2 minus secant 30 means 2 by root 3. So the numerator and denominator, every term is the same, so everything is cancelled one time. So the answer for this is, our solution for this is 1. So by doing this we got the answer as 1. Now let us discuss the first problem, fourth one, that is 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. We have to evaluate 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. So let us start it. 2 tan square 45 means 2 tan square 45 is 1 whole square and the 2 is the same, 2 into 1 whole square plus cos square 30 means root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin square 60 means root 3 by 2 whole square only. Now here this root 3 by 2 whole square minus root 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 0, and 2 into 1 square, 2 into 1 means 1, 2 into 1 square means 1 only, so 2 into 1 is 2. So the answer for this is 2. So now let us discuss the first Roman, fifth one. So the fifth one we have to evaluate secant square 60 minus tan square 60 by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. So let us start evaluating this one. Secant square 60 means 2, but here whole square no, secant square no, so 2 whole square minus tan square 60 means root 3. Here it is tan square no, so whole square, root 3 whole square. Now sin square 30 means 1 by 2, it is square, so whole square, plus 2 cos square 30, so cos 30 means root 3 by 2, it is whole square no, so it is square no, cos square no, so root 3 by 2 whole square. Now 2 square means 4 and root 3 whole square, so square and root will be cancelled, so it will become 3, 4 minus 3, and 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4, and root 3 by 2 whole square means here square and root will be cancelled, and this one will become 2 square means 4 only. Now 4 minus 3 by 1 plus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So here denominators are same, so we can 1 minute. Yes, we can add numerators. So here denominators are same, so we can add numerator. So it will become 4 minus 3 by 1 plus 3 means that is 4 only by 4. 4 minus 3 means 1, and 1 plus 3 means 4 no, so 4 by 4 means it will be cancelled one time, that is equal to 1 by 1, that is equal to 1. So 1 is the answer for this question. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, do, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video.